Killian, we gotta get going, okay?
That's latex. Cool, and your point?
Killian, they got. I want you to leave.
No, I don't.
Yep.
Yeah.
Don't. That thing is epileptic.
I'll look at what you're looking at. I'm not even sure what that is.
Part tarantula, part black widow, part praying mantis.
Take a step back from him.
Does it eat the head?
It does.
Cool. A female licked me over there. Licked, not bit. Want me to shove a knife up your salsa? There's a thing there. Now I have a mirror phobia.
Get down like
I'm not wearing shoes.
Just relax now.
Why am I being arrested?
Relax.
Why am I being arrested? Okay, I just want a cigarette. No, I'm not wearing those. Those aren't my shoes. Cigarettes. That's too much to ask. Can I pull my sock up? Seriously, can I pull my sock up? Can I pull my sock up?
Gotta make sure you don't have any weapons.
I don't have pockets, okay? I don't have pockets.
Killian,
What?
knock it off.
Can I have a cigarette already?
No, you can't have a cigarette.
Those aren't my shoes.